In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email template in Figma. This process is surprisingly straightforward, leveraging Figma's powerful community features to get you started quickly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to find and customize professional-looking email templates, saving you a lot of time and effort in your design workflow. Let's begin by navigating to the Figma community. To do this, when you're in Figma, simply look for the Community section. It's usually accessible from your main dashboard or the file browser. Think of the community as a vast library where designers from all over the world share their creations, from plugins and widgets to, crucially for us, design files and templates. It's an incredible resource for inspiration and ready-to-use assets, and it's where we'll find our starting point for an email template. Once you're in the community section, you'll see various categories and a prominent search bar. Now that you're in the community, the next step is to use the search bar to find relevant templates. Go ahead and type email into the search field. You might also try email template or newsletter design if you want to broaden or refine your search results. As you type, Figma will instantly start showing you a wide array of options created by other designers. Take a moment to browse through these results. You'll find everything from simple, clean layouts to more complex, visually rich designs. This is where you can start thinking about the kind of email you want to create and what aesthetic best suits your brand or message. Look for templates that resonate with your vision. Once you've explored the search results, it's time to choose a template and begin customizing it. Scroll through the options and click on a template that catches your eye. Before fully committing, many templates allow you to preview them in more detail, which is a great way to assess their structure and design elements. When you find one you like, simply open it as a new file in your Figma editor. This will duplicate the template, so you can freely make changes without affecting the original. Now, you can start editing. Change the text, swap out images for your own, adjust colors to match your brand guidelines, and even rearrange sections to fit your content. Figma's intuitive interface makes it easy to drag and drop elements, modify styles, and truly make the template your own. Don't be afraid to experiment and play around with the different components until your email template looks exactly how you envisioned it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly leverage Figma's community to find and customize professional email templates, streamlining your design process. Happy designing!